Hello, boys and girls. Please join me in a lesson inspired by the artist Andy Goldsworthy, where we will create art inspired by nature. We'll also learn about symmetry and radial symmetry and use that in our art. Environmental art is art inspired by nature. What are things that you can find outside in nature to create art with? Andy Goldsworthy is a British artist who uses found natural materials in his art. He creates three-dimensional sculptures, and then he takes photographs of them. The photographs document the artwork because some materials change over time. Balance is a principle of design and refers to the way lines, shapes, colors, and textures are arranged in an artwork. There can be equal balance and unequal balance. Today we're going to talk about equal balance. This is called symmetrical balance. Symmetry is when something is divided in two equal parts. Radial symmetry is equal to, except it's round like a circle. Radial symmetry has a center point with lines and shapes that radiate out from the middle. Let's go outside and find things to make art with, just like Andy Goldsworthy. I'm going to use some things I found in my yard to make a design that has radial symmetry. This is a dandelion, and I'm going to use it as my center point. These pebbles are going to radiate out from the middle. These wood chips also create lines. I want it to have equal balance, and I want the lines to radiate out from the middle. Think about a bicycle wheel. The spokes on the wheel come out from the center. I love how the flowers add color to my design. Think about things that you can find outside that can add color to your environmental art. As you create, have fun. Enjoy the creative process. And don't forget to take a picture of your art. You can post your pictures in the comments below. And be sure and return to the Carrollton Elementary School Facebook page to find more connections lessons every day.